Because what I believe is reliable and feasible processes are only built when the developer has understood the process. Hello and welcome back on my YouTube channel Parth Doshi Learning by Doing. So with this video, I'm going to start a new series of videos that is going to be on process understanding. Now why did I choose this topic? So whenever I'm talking with someone from a developer background and when I talk about process understanding, their first instant question is that doesn't this come as a skill set of a BA or a solution architect? Yes, it definitely does. But as a developer, it is also important to have the process understanding skills and to understand the process very well before you start with the development. So now this is going to be the first video where I'm going to introduce you to the concept of process understanding, why it is important, and some real world examples. So let's get started. First, let's understand what is process understanding. Now process understanding in simple terms is something that you have to do an automation. Let's suppose log into a website, download some PDFs, perform the data extraction and send the final data to the business user. Now this is what I have understood my process that is to be automated. So process understanding is as simple as understanding what you have to exactly automate. Now this was a very simple example and we could easily relate to it because we might have worked on this type of automations. But now what about when working with complex process? Why this process understanding skill is important for a developer? Now let's suppose you are working on a very complex process where you have to identify what and how it is to be automated. So in that case you need this process understanding skills to critically identify what are the important parts of your process and how you are going to automate it. Because what I believe is reliable and feasible processes are only built when the developer has understood the process really well. Because it's on to the developer who is going to build the process and make it working and build the bots. So it is really important for a developer to understand that process. Now many times when we work within an organization, we get a PDD, SDD or a BRD. There are many different documents that we get to automate the process. But now what if you are not able to understand the documents, their parts? That will be also covered in the later part of this series. But just to give you an idea that whenever you get such a type of documents, how should you understand it? How should you ask the right questions so that you know what is to be automated and how is to be automated? So these are some of the important points. Now going ahead, when you have understood the process really very well, you know what are the critical quality parameters that are going to judge that your robots is going to work fine or not, and it is going to handle the exceptions that have been mentioned. Other than that, it also helps you identify what is the process where you need to use sequence, where you need to use flowchart. Do I need to really use REF framework or not? So when we tend to work with different automations, there are many different processes that we will automate. Sometimes we'll work on Excel, Outlook. But the way you structure your process, trust me, it is going to be very less stressful for you as a developer to automate a process. Knowing the as-is process also becomes really important. When you are working with a process to be automated, you should definitely know that how it is functioning right now. If you have not understood that, how you are going to automate it. Let's suppose you have to click an option from a drop down on a website, but you don't know how to reach to that particular drop down or how it is actually being performed right now. So you will not be able to build that process. So this is one more another important thing that you may note as a developer, that knowing the as-is process and asking the right questions on that is also very important. Now coming to an example of fixed bid projects. These are the projects that are to be completed within the given specific deadline. Now let's suppose the deadline is of 4 months and you spend your 1.5 month or 1 month in just understanding the process. Do you think you are going to be able to complete that project within that given deadline? No. So if you have developed the process understanding skills, if you know that what should be automated, how it should be automated, and how you are going to structure your process, this will really help you to complete your projects on the deadline. So I hope in this video you understood what is process understanding, why it is important, what are the different scenarios where we might face problems if we are not very well versed with understanding the process during our automation. So I hope this video helped you gain the overall insight of the process understanding. In the later video, we are going to actually pick up some automations. We are going to pick PDD, SDD, how you have to understand it and how you are going to build your automations. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the like and share button, share it with your friends and colleagues in your organization, and let them also develop this process understanding skills. Thank you for watching the complete video. See you soon.